So today we are going to be working on this super simple quick project of these fuzzy little spa wristbands. So you know, like when you wash your hands and you wash your face, all the soap kind of slides down your wrists onto your elbows and it's super annoying. So people are using cute little wristbands like this to put on their wrists while they wash their face to trap any of that water and soap here and keep your arms dry. So I thought it was a cute and practical little idea that as crocheters we can make our own. So what I am using today is Bernat Blanket Extra yarn. You need 2 hair ties for each wristband, so a total of 4 if you're gonna make 2. I like these gimme hair bands because they're not quite as tight as some of the other ones that you might find in the store, but really whatever you like is fine. And then you're going to want a size P crochet hook, yarn needle, and some scissors. So to get started, you're going to grab your hair tie and make your slip knot with your yarn. All right, tighten that up. Now to get your yarn onto your hair tie, you're going to bring your slip knot up through the middle so that your yarn kind of goes around it and behind it and up. So your slip knot comes up through the center. You're going to put your hook on there, tighten it up a little bit, and then your yarn will go through the middle and up out the back. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through your loop, and that's what's going to connect you to the hairband. Now you're going to chain 1, and now we're just going to put 12 single crochets around the hairband. So you're going to go through the hairband, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through. And that is 1 single crochet. So go down through your, under your hairband, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through 2. Now you've got 2. Let's do that again. Go under your hairband, back behind it, yarn over and pull that around your hairband, back up, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Now we have 3 again. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9, 10. You can see this is where we're just going to kind of get a little tight because we want to cover that hairband. 11, 12. All right, 12 should do it. Now you want to hold it so that your hairband is lower on the end. You can see where I started here with my slip knot, and then it's kind of difficult to find that first single crochet. So you're going to have to kind of feel around, and you're going to insert your hook, yarn over and pull through to join to the beginning there. Now when you come back at the end to tie in your ends, you can kind of use your yarn needle to connect this little bit here that might be a little bit loose. All right, so we have one row, and we're going to chain one. We're just going to put one single crochet in each stitch around so that we have 12 again. Now this is difficult to find your stitches with this yarn. You cannot see them. It's pretty tough, but if you feel, you can kind of feel where that space is with your finger. Feel your way through. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Apparently I stitched a little tight. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, we're back to the beginning here. We're going to feel around for here's my chain one, and then here is my first single crochet. We're going to join that with a slip stitch. And we're going to do one more row of single crochets, but this time we are going to crochet around another hairband. So you're going to take your hairband and kind of put it behind your work, like kind of inside there. And as you insert your hook into that first single crochet, when you go around the back, or you're gonna be sure to also go be underneath that hairband and grab your yarn and pull it through so that it goes around the hairband. And then you're going to finish out your single crochet, yarn over and pull through. Okay, we're going to do that for each stitch. So for the second one, you're going to go through, you're going to go underneath the hairband, bring the yarn down around it, yarn over and pull through. That's 2. We're going to do that for 12 all the way around. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're gonna get a little stretch and tightness here as you're keeping that in there, but just make sure you're still going around that band. 9, 10, 11, one more, 12. All right, we're going to find that first single crochet, insert our hook and join it with a slip stitch. And then we're going to finish off and weave in our ends. Now this part is tricky with this yarn because it likes to knot up around your yarn needle, and of course it's really thick, so it's hard to get through there, but we'll do our best. All right, you can see that at the beginning our might have a little bit of an unwieldy start with our little slip knot that attached to our initial band. So I'm going to use this opportunity to kind of hide that away a little bit. So we're going to tuck it in there. Make sure it straightens out a little. Then we'll weave in that end. All right, and there you have your cute little wristband. Keep your arms nice and dry. Quick and simple and practical project. Hope you enjoyed that pattern, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet.